while we've been here and waiting for the corals to spawn and waiting to collect some data, we were able to go on some fun dives during the day, and we have perfected our spear hunting skills of lionfish. Lionfish are an invasive species to the Caribbean. They're normally found in the Indo-Pacific, where I've done a lot of my previous work. And in the Indo-Pacific, their numbers are controlled by the animals that live there. But a group of lionfish they think were released somewhere in North Carolina or Florida, and now they've pretty much taken over the Caribbean. The meat is really good, so we can eat it for dinner, for lunch, which has been amazing to have fresh caught fish. But also we're really helping the reefs in that we're removing some of them. Lionfish are pretty much the perfect invasive species because they reproduce all the time. They don't really have a season like the corals we're trying to do research on. And they can have a lot of eggs per individual, and they reproduce very early. They're also chemically toxic. They have these spines that have a venom in them, which both myself and my graduate student have found out is very painful. I got spined in the leg and she got spined in both of her thumbs. It's been an impressive haul of lionfish. It's kind of sad to see how often you see them and how many there are. And the thing that's even sadder is when you dissect their stomachs, there's quite a bit of a fairly large juvenile parrotfish in their stomachs, which parrotfish are also very important for the reefs. While we were on the island, there's a number of sea turtles that have laid their nests on the island, and so when we came back from an unsuccessful coral spawning dive, we came back and found baby sea turtles roaming around the island, and were able to put them in the water. There's a lot of hermit crabs that live here, and the hermit crabs will try and eat them. So we found about 4 that hadn't made it to the ocean yet, and we're able to put them in the ocean and save them from hermit crab death. Good research trip so far, even though it had to be delayed a little bit, but we finally have coral larvae and we're really excited to try and get some data.